Hello?
Okay, so big win for the day. The welder has turned up, so Zach's just in there talking to them now.
I mean, it can be a little bit. It's more important this way, because then it looks a bit silly when you put your windowsill. Yeah. No welder. Very exciting.
Next time we come back, maybe I'll have to help you with this one.
Well, I'm gonna have to do it pretty soon, so he can then go from that one to this one. It won't take once it's straight. It won't take long for him to weld.
Oh, won't it? Well, you got to cut out the door as well. Have you even drawn that in?
I might. While he's welding this one, I'll get him to jump on the roof and do the brackets, and then I'll cut this while he jumps on the roof.
So we finally got our welder. That's perfect. The neighbour's brother is a carpenter who just so happens to know how to weld. So he's come over today and he's tacked in the windows. And to protect the welds, you've got to have a cold galvanizing paint that goes on to protect everything from rust. And in a country where we cannot find anything, we have managed to find some. So I'm just going to put that on. And it's actually a top coat as well. It's in the colour that we're wanting to do the windows as well. So I'm going to do that.
This is only stitched in by the welder. You can do a full weld, but it's not really necessary.
Did a good job at least.
Did he? Are you happy? I'm so happy.
Yeah, because then
We've been waiting for this. This is week 2. This should have been done on day 3.
Instead.
What's today? Day 9.
Day 11.
Day 11. Jeez, we're so far behind with this. It's crazy. How full is it? Do you reckon we'll get, how many windows do you reckon you get out of one can?
At least one, maybe both of them.
You reckon?
We'll see how we go.
It's sounding like the pressure's dropping off.
No, that's just my fingers lazy.
Oh, your fingers getting tired, mate. Yeah, right. This is so cool. This is so exciting.
For you.
What do you mean for me? Dude, it should be exciting for you. As soon as I can lock this, get this container closed up, the sooner you guys can sit in there with the fan on. This is super exciting, trust me. I bet Mum's over the moon.
I saw your wrist on.
Oh, that's what she didn't show you. He's welded some of the brackets on the roof for the timber. There's 12 brackets up there. There's the other window he's welded in. So if I get a dull day, I can start putting the roof up, which is pretty cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are doing nothing. Highway dive! The girls are doing the highway dive! Yes! And the baby's confused. No! Bonnie's being a chicken. And basically we are just chilling. We finally got the door out, so that's a win.
So it's raining again. We've had to rush outside and put up tarps and use wood and vines so that it doesn't flood again. It's already flooded.
No more work again, temporarily. It's really hard building out here.
Yeah.
At least the welder's here though, again.
Yeah. It's rainy, but it's hot.
Oh, is this silicon? The silicon's off, man. We'll get another one. Hope they're not all off. So we get this siliconing done before the rain starts again. I really hope these ones are good.
Yeah.
This looks off as well. This is depressing.
He says this is making him cranky, but check out this scenery and listen to the birds. I know he's not cranky. Being here is the happiest I've ever seen him.
So we got a couple of boxes of silicon shipped over because when you're building, silicon solves all your problems, right? But what we've learned is that silicon doesn't like to be stored in a humid shipping container for any length of time.
What are you doing?
Turn the air compressor on.
And off again?
Yep.
Well, that doesn't sound very healthy. How come you're turning it on and off again?
Because the generator won't power it properly.
Ah, okay, so you're just filling it up a little bit at a
Until
time.
it gets harder to
The generator shuts off.
Hang on, Dad, we can't hear you.
Otherwise the generator shuts off. The generator's only half as powerful as it should be.
Oh, okay.
So she's got to do that. We don't have... Oh, it nearly stopped that time.
Just leave it for a bit, maybe, Ivy, you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It nearly shut off then.
What are you doing, Dad?
Filling in all the gaps.
Yep. We got fresh silicone now. Very expensive fresh silicone.
Now, I had to do a quick run to the hardware store.
It's not quick, it's so far away. It's definitely not
What's
quick.
the time now? It's 3:30. So that was an hour round trip.
We got here at 1:42. Took you 1 hour.
We're getting heaps done. I figured out how to use the air compressor. Now that I can do the ceiling.
Whack it in and silicone it up and stop some of this rain coming in. You alright?
You got it the wrong way around.
No, switch around then.
That's what I was saying. Well, does the basket on the outside or the inside?
Yeah, no, that's better than this one.
Right. Oh god, I'm not going to hold on to. Bottom first.
Doesn't fit.
Did you put the bottom in first like I did?
Mm.
How come mine's sitting in yours not?
Can make it fit. I don't know if you're meant to jam it like that.
Is it sitting?
Should we be jamming
No,
it?
it won't fit.
No, I can tap it. I'm saying. I don't know if you're meant to just bang them like this. There should be a gap, and you should pack it out. You should pack it out with window packers.
Mm.
It's not meant to be tight like this. No way. Should we just put it like that?
Just did. Can we stop seeing that song? You're so much better at this than I am. I think you made me do this to something in the bathroom or something one time and I was like, I fudged it up real good.
Ah, you loser.
Hmm.
Well, since we got no soapy water, it's going to be very hard to clean up. That's why I'm disappointed I just did that. And just did that.
Oh, again? So I'm just cleaning up out here because I'm pretty much finished for the day. It is nearly 6 o'clock. But I just noticed over here where we've tied the ropes. And we've used vines, have we?
Yeah, well, when there's a big storm, you got to grab what you do, so we just pull the vines off the trees. In the middle of the jungle here, you know.
Oh goodness, nearly tripped over.
Yeah, look, you just grab the vines off the tree, they're good ropes.
Jungle life.
It's called bush rope. Yeah, bush rope.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.